Sri Swapan Das Gupta ji, to conclude your speech. Please conclude.
Allowing me to resume the innings, I just wanted to point out that there are three features which I think are very important in handling the third wave, the likely third wave which we anticipate. The first is an approach of flexibility and open-mindedness. As I pointed out, there is no such thing as conclusive scientific evidence. These seem to be getting revised periodically. If I may use a terminology which is more familiar to my Marxist friends, they seem to be moving from correctness to correctness. And I think that is something we have to be wary of and not accepting anything as absolute dogma. And that open-mindedness is very necessary. Secondly, sir, you would have realized that in handling the pandemic, the role of the state has become paramount. Whatever people may have thought about how much the state should occupy in the economy or in society, in these exceptional circumstances, it has become the driving force. Now, the state to become the driving force, it requires trust. And so, trust has to be established in the state. And for trust to be established, there are two things. One, transparency. We must not fudge figures. We cannot say a COVID death is because someone died of a heart attack. And that, alas, has been happening a bit too often. I don't need to specify from where. The statistical reportage must be absolutely authentic. And I think this is a rule which applies to the central government, to the state government, to local authorities, to everybody. If the situation is bad, we must say it is bad. The second point which we must talk about is we must be fair. The government, the state must be seen to be fair. We cannot have a situation where vaccinations are meant for one section and not for another section. That is what has happened in some parts of the country. We cannot have a situation where we have a total lockdown in one part of the city and we have a complete openness in another part of the city. One festival is allowed, another festival is not allowed. That sense of unfairness cannot be allowed. And finally, sir, this is a pandemic, a global pandemic. And in India, the constitutional provisions say health is a state subject. Now that's the reality. But it is quite clear that it is beyond the capacity of only a state government to handle a problem of such magnitude. It needs the cooperation of the centre. And at this point, we need that sense of mutual exchange, mutual cooperation, which, alas, we find is not there. Sometimes there may be legitimate objections, but we cannot have the state going the left, the centre going the right. We cannot have that situation. There has to be a measure of coherence. There has to be a measure of unity of purpose. And that unity of purpose is only imperfectly here.
Thank you.
We cannot have
Gupta.
a situation where the vaccines are there, but people say there are shortage of vaccines. I'm not making any particular accusations, but I think everybody in this House knows what I'm talking about, and everybody in the House knows that if we have to fight a national crisis, we need a national bent of mind. Alas, that has only been there in patches. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Das Gupta.